Den, the new free AI super agent, destroys Manus and Genspark. Today I'm going to show you Den AI and why it's absolutely destroying the competition. This thing is brand new, it's revolutionary, and it's about to change how you work forever. No more switching between 10 different apps, no more losing important stuff, and the best part, they literally get stuff done when you're not even there. So, what exactly is Den AI? Think of it like this. You know how you use Slack to chat with your team, and you use Notion to write docs, and you probably use 10 other tools for everything else? Well, Den AI combined all of that into one platform. But here's the kicker. They didn't just mash tools together, they built it from the ground up with AI agents that actually do work for you. This isn't some startup nobody's heard of either. These guys are backed by Y Combinator. You know, the same people who backed Stripe, Airbnb, and Reddit? Yeah, they're using Den AI internally right now. When the smartest tech accelerator in the world uses your product, you know it's legit. Let me break down what makes Den AI so different. First off, it's AI native. Den AI was built for AI from day one. Every single feature was designed around AI agents working with humans. Here's what blew my mind. You can build AI agents using natural language, no coding required. You describe what you want the agent to do, and Den AI creates it for you. But let's talk about the competition, because this is where it gets interesting. Right now, most people are using Slack for chat, Notion for docs, maybe Asana for projects, Google Drive for files, Zoom for meetings. That's already 5 different tools, and I'm just getting started. The problem with this setup, you're constantly switching between apps. Information gets lost. Important stuff falls through the cracks. Your team wastes hours every week just trying to find things. And don't even get me started on trying to keep everything in sync. Let's start with Slack. Don't get me wrong, Slack revolutionized team communication. But it's 2025 now. Slack is just a chat app that got bloated with features nobody uses. You can't write proper documents in Slack. The search functionality has limitations, and finding that important message from months ago can be challenging. Den AI combines the communication aspects of Slack with AI agents that are part of your conversations. These agents can access your knowledge base and help with various tasks right within the chat interface. Now let's talk about Notion. Notion is powerful, but it can be slow and complex to manage for larger teams. The learning curve is steep, and maintaining organized workspaces requires constant attention. Den AI offers document creation and organization capabilities similar to Notion, but with AI agents that help maintain and organize your information automatically. Den AI keeps the interface simpler, while AI agents handle complex workflow management behind the scenes. Now there's also Manus AI and Genspark, which are the most direct competitors to Den AI in the AI agent workspace category. Manus AI focuses on autonomous task execution and can handle complex workflows independently. It's positioned as a general AI agent that works on its own. The key difference is that Manus is primarily designed for personal automation and individual task execution. Genspark is more interesting because they've built what they call a super agent system. They've actually proven some serious traction too. They hit $36 million in annual recurring revenue in just 45 days with only a 20-person team. That's impressive growth that shows real market demand. Genspark offers similar workspace features like AI docs, AI slides, and AI sheets. They even have a call for me feature where their AI agent actually makes real phone calls and holds conversations. That's pretty wild when you think about it. But here's where Den AI is different from both Manus and Genspark. While Manus focuses on individual automation and Genspark emphasizes autonomous agents that work independently, Den AI is built specifically as a collaborative workspace where AI agents work alongside your team members in real time. The Den AI approach is more about AI agents being integrated into your team's daily workflow and communication rather than operating separately from your team interactions. Here's the big difference with Den AI. Your AI agents can work continuously even when you're not actively using the platform. They can monitor communications, update documents, and handle routine tasks around the clock. But let's talk about integrations because this is crucial. Den AI connects with over 50 tools: Slack, Google Workspace, GitHub, Salesforce, and many other business tools you probably use. But here's the difference. Instead of just connecting these tools, Den AI's agents can actually work across all of them. Your AI agents can pull information from different sources and help coordinate work across your entire tech stack. This eliminates much of the manual work involved in keeping different systems updated. But before I go deeper into this, I need to tell you something important. If you want to learn how to implement AI tools like Den AI in your business, I've got a complete training program in the AI Money Lab. This training covers everything from AI automation to building AI-powered businesses. It's helped thousands of entrepreneurs scale faster and work smarter. I'll put the link in the comments and description so you can check it out after this video. The pricing is pretty reasonable too. They have a free tier that gives you 2,000 credits per month. That's enough to test everything out and see if it works for your team. Their paid plans start at a fraction of what you're probably spending on your current tool stack. Think about it. If you're using Slack, Notion, Asana, and Google Workspace, you're already spending at least $50 per user per month. Den AI could replace all of that for less money and give you AI agents on top. Now, I want to talk about security because I know some of you are thinking about that. Den AI takes data security seriously with enterprise-level protection. Your information stays private and secure within their platform. The learning curve with Den AI is much shorter compared to complex productivity suites. The interface is designed to be intuitive, and since AI agents understand natural language, you don't need to learn complex formulas or memorize numerous shortcuts. But what really excites me is where this is heading. Den AI shows us the potential of AI agents that don't just answer questions, but actually take action and make decisions as part of your workflow. This represents a shift in how we think about AI in business. Instead of AI being just a chatbot you ask questions to, these agents become active participants in your team's work. If you want to get ahead of this trend, now is the time. Den AI is still new. Most of your competitors probably haven't heard of it yet. That gives you a massive advantage. While they're still struggling with their Frankenstack of different tools, you'll have AI agents working around the clock to grow your business. I mentioned earlier that they have a free tier. I really recommend you try it out. Set up a simple agent and see what it can do. I guarantee you'll be impressed. Let me tell you what I'm seeing with teams that are adopting AI agent platforms like Den AI. They're finding ways to automate routine tasks and focus more time on strategic work. The technology is allowing teams to operate more efficiently by reducing the time spent on manual coordination between different tools. Now, let me address something important. Some people wonder about AI replacing jobs. Here's my perspective. AI agents like those in Den AI don't replace people. They replace busy work. They free up your team to do higher value activities. Instead of spending time manually managing emails and updating spreadsheets, your team can focus on analysis and decision making. Instead of chasing down information across different systems, they can focus on using that information to drive results. The businesses that embrace AI agents early will have a competitive advantage. While their competitors are still managing tasks manually, these businesses will be operating with AI assistance. Den AI also addresses a common productivity killer, context switching. When you're focused on important work and have to stop to check different apps or update information across systems, it breaks your concentration. With Den AI, your AI agents can handle many of these interruptions. They can monitor your communication channels, update documents, and manage routine tasks while you stay focused on deep work. This is especially valuable for entrepreneurs and business owners where time is the most valuable asset. Every minute spent on routine tasks is time not spent growing the business. If you want to learn more about AI in business and how to use tools like Den AI to scale your operations, join me in the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We currently have over 1,000 members who are all implementing AI in their businesses and seeing incredible results. I also offer free SEO strategy sessions where we can talk about how to use AI to improve your search rankings and drive more organic traffic. You can book a session using the link in the comments and description. And if you want step-by-step guides on implementing AI in your business, check out the AI Money Lab. We have an SOP and process for every AI tool, plus over 100 use cases that you can implement immediately. There are video notes, training materials, and a community of 19,000 members who are all scaling their businesses with AI.